Okay, guys, I just got hired on Upwork by actually someone kind of famous into the crypto sphere to make a simple Telegram forwarder. So he want to have a bot in one of his group that each time he posts something, it's gonna repost on his behalf on another group. I asked him if he wanted to use the personal Telegram API, but he said he owned the two groups, so he's allowed to add a bot in the two of them and just make it happen this way. It's gonna be simpler. So my goal is to achieve this in an hour or two. I started with an empty directory. I'm also gonna create a Git for this, for the sake of it. Um, so we're gonna initialize a directory. We're also gonna get ChatGPT around. Okay, so the goal is to make a Telegram bot that can be added in a group and repost every message there to other groups. The person that's gonna run this own all the groups, so we can use the bot API since we have the proper permission of post and read messages. I guess I want option as group channel names if possible, or ID, or even better, convert names to ID, then only reproduce X user posts to a list of groups. Then only reproduce X user post in X group to a list of groups. I want to use Python. Let's start this so we can have a basic skeleton. If you want to dynamically convert group channel, you can use the get chat method provided. Okay. Yep, makes sense. That's already what I want. Just gonna create a requirements. Requirements.txt. We should already have this library installed. Ah, we did it. Okay. So we're gonna go to bot folder 2. I already created two forwarder bot. Crypto forwarder bot. Crypto Mason bot. Forwarder bot. Okay, so we get the token access here. Makes sense. So, 嗯 ，OK。 transfer group channel, convert them. Gonna put the skeleton here. P. F. Yeah, okay. Gonna copy the bot fodder ID. We're gonna get the test group that I created. So this is the origin that I would like to. Can I? No, this is not what I want. Okay, let's just ask ChatGPT something. Let's suppose one of the group is private. Also, does the code change for channel or groups? Is it different from each other? For channel. Okay. Okay, chat ID. Okay, then rewrite it. Add me a function allowed user can call to get uh, the ID of the group the function is called. Okay, let's just copy that. I just want to keep my token, of course. Just gonna remove this specific user. I'm gonna add myself. Get group ID. Get group ID. Okay, that makes sense. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna run this already. Python main.p. There is no filters. That's odd. Okay. Oh. I'm just gonna give it to in. Maybe is not up to date with the latest configuration. Exactly. Just gonna copy this. Filters is available. We're gonna and we're gonna copy this up to start. Gonna copy this up to start. Okay, so we should have something here. As I said, we don't have the target group yet. What we want is we're gonna add the bot. Wait. Damn. Bot further. The bot can be found here. Just gonna see. Okay. We would like to add it here. We're gonna add the bot. You can see the group is private. Actually, I'll create a channel 2. Cute channel 1. Private 2. And that's up. Okay. Each group. That's odd. I should see the bot here. Order. Let's see as administrator. Yeah. So he should be able to manage video chat. Yeah, sure. We could set a custom title. That could be the name. He has access to the message. So we have the bot here in the first group. Just gonna add it to the second group too. As administrator. Gonna do the same thing then in. Yep. So we have two groups. The bot is both, and let's try to do the same thing with the channel. Manage channel administrator. Okay, so he's able to post message, manage story, don't care, add member, no. Okay. Yeah. Okay, so if I want to interact with the bot, I think I should be able to. No, it's not gonna be this way. But started. Okay, let me just add something. I added the bot to 2 groups and 1 channel, all private. How can I make him output the group channel ID? I write the command in I do the top of the channel. Add the bot as an administrator. Need to add the ender for this command, but I'm pretty sure it was. Okay, it should work, but maybe it won't. Okay. It actually works in the group, but not in the channel. So that's the first issue. Message will be forward, but that's my username. Show username. Just add a debug here, so we can see what's happening. So that's the proper way. Okay, so that's one of the group. So route forward message 2. And let's do the same here. So that's group 1, that's group 2. And why? Okay, let's go see in the channel if there is maybe administrator manage messages. Okay. Code work now, but I can't in the private channel. work differently. Bot need at least post message and read all messages. Post a message with the bot. Pressure bot. Okay. Okay. Not sure it's gonna work better. But we can try. Okay. Let's try it. Oops. Yeah, that's what I thought. If update message, just gonna try it again. So this is still working. Post message and read all messages. But it's already, it have the proper channel administrator. Okay, I got an error here. Okay. In the private channel, the command is still not doing anything, but writing anything. Make this. Fix this. Yeah. Chat in. I still don't think it's gonna solve it properly, but we can try. Let's go back here. This function still work. Yeah. Okay, the goal is to make my customer able to post either on a channel or group, public or private, and forward to other groups or channels, private or public again. The code need to work whichever groups or channel or public or private. Please save my user and API token. Didn't save the bot token, suck. I don't think again he fixed it properly. Get group ID. I mean, there is no error now, which is good. Doesn't work when I write it in the private channel. Okay. The boss. Huh, that's interesting. Post channel ID. Comes from a group. The bottom is in the channel. Okay. Yeah, because this is what I actually want. That will make sense to make it post somewhere. That's working still. Doing nothing. Post channel ID. Okay. Okay, it's not gonna work this way. It's not gonna work this way. Can you, but the group part work? So instead, can you make it so if I, as allowed user, forward a message posted in a private channel where the bot is, reply back the channel ID? This way we can preserve the group part but add a function to forward private channel message and extract the ID from there. So we are at 30 minutes exactly. Just gonna copy that again just to be sure we don't forget anything. Start and don't forward messages. I don't think it's gonna work because it still rely on username. That's done. Again, that's why ChatGPT doesn't solve anything, everything. It helps, but it's not solving everything. Let's try again. If we preserve this, we didn't. Oops. Okay, that's still working as expected. Now I'm gonna forward this to crypto forwarder. Here we go. So we got something going on here. Okay, let's add it there. Close it. And what I would like is start the bot. Actually, okay. I'll do it here. Hi. Hi. And hi. Okay. So this is not working at all. We can get the okay. So we are able to get the channel ID even if it's private. I can get the channel ID this way. It worked well, but when I post a message in one of the group, it doesn't send to the other group and channel. Also, since you said that bot cannot doesn't interact the same way with channel, can you check in case I post in channel it should also reproduce in other groups and channel. Do I also need to run start on every I want to copy from? Do you understand? Okay. Let's see if it worked now. Okay. If the message comes through the path of the username, the channel message. Okay. Let's see if we still have preserve what we had. This still work. And if I forward this to the forwarder, that doesn't message. Okay. This code broke the forward message from channel to the bot and output its ID. Okay, we're gonna see. Oops, no. ID of this chat. This is actually my ID, so that's not valid. Forwarding from the channel, yeah, that's not what I want. I'm still gonna try it. It still failed. That's odd. Same error. I also notice it output my personal ID, not the channel one. Please rewrite everything properly. The goal is having multiple groups and channel. If X user posts in one of them, forward or even write a new message on in all the other groups and channels. Please keep the ID, the get ID for groups and channel king so it can help my customer getting them through the bot. Okay, we still have this. As I said, this is my idea of Telegram, so that's gonna be a problem I guess. Oh, okay, so this is the discussion, that's why it was outputted there. You can see that here it was sent. We could actually just remove the from blah blah blah. And the channel was not working. If I post here, yeah, okay. So that's actually working as I want. Okay. I'm just gonna contact the owner. Is it groups or channels? I'm pretty sure it's gonna say it's channels. The channel is a group with topics. Okay. So that code worked perfectly getting the ID of groups, forwarding messages to the bot from the channel, give the ID of the convo between the bot, or actually my personal ID. So when I post in one group, it output properly in another group and in my personal convo with the bot. But it doesn't post in the channel. My customer just confirmed with me that the goal is he is gonna post in a private channel, then it should be forwarded to a group with topics. Make it work. Okay, when the that's cool. Just gonna, yeah, I'm just gonna remove this for now. I'm gonna start the forward message, main. Okay, just gonna retry this. If I go here, I can still get the group ID. I can still get the group ID. I'm still gonna forward this to the forward button. We shall see my ID. It's not gonna work. Okay. And what I want now. Hi. Hi. Okay. And in channel. Hi. Exactly. Okay. when I post in channel. Goal is to post once in the channel, then send to group. But as I said, I still don't know the channel group ID. I have a test one. I have a test private channel. How can I get the ID from it? If the bot is in it. Detect the channel ID for a message. Okay. If I write in the channel. Also, I noticed when I post in group 1, it also forward to the same group, which shouldn't. We are near, guys. Forward from chat. But message has no attribute. Okay, but that should still be a check. That's weird. Let me try this. Okay. Forward sender ID. Let's just try this for the sake of it. Function line 43. Okay, let's just debug it manually. Because I would like the bot to output the ID for my customer. That's just basic. It's gonna be much more simple. Forward from chat. Here you go. Okay. By printing message, I get the foreign message can be turned. Just getting everything here. Blah 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 blah. Okay. Just gonna test again if everything is working. This is the chat channel. Get group ID. We're still able to do this. Okay. Still able to do this. And keep groups and channel. I want to forward it. Good. Okay, so we're able to extract the channel ID finally. We're gonna add one, and it's gonna be channel, private channel. Okay, we're gonna run this again. Okay, if I write here, hi, we got it in cute channel, but not in the group. Hi. Ah, that's weird. Hi. Okay, now it's working. And in channel, hi. Okay. This worked perfectly to get the channel ID, except that if I write in channel, it doesn't get forwarded. You're near, guys. Channel pass. Wait. Okay, let's just in forward message. Let's just output. Let's just write it. Okay. So if I go here, hi. Okay, that's perfect. We can get the data from here, but if I go in channel hi, we get an error. There's wait, there's none. Okay. This return none when I post in channel. Remember the bot should be able to listen to channel messages. Listen channel messages Telegram Python bot. I want to see. Yeah, I think we're gonna need to use this. Fuck. Post message on message. Post message. I think you are confusing a group with a channel because. Wait, what did he say here? Listen channel messages, but API Python Telegram. Oops. Remember the channel? Oh, okay. But it should be. The subscriber has access to messages. Okay, let's just try something. Let's just do this and see. Hi. Okay. Wait. I just debugged it. If I print update, not update messages from the channel, I get. Please be sure this is also taken in consideration. We're gonna have it, guys, under an hour. Oh, I said 2 hour max. Oh, we got this. Yep, that's exactly what I want. Yep. just gonna test everything again to be sure that everything works. I can get the group ID here. I can get the group ID here. I can forward to the forwarder and get the channel ID here. Perfect. Then I want to post here. It show in the channel and the group. Same thing here. And in the channel. Let's go. Okay, so here we have the final code that achieve what the customer want in an hour and 1 minute. Was nice doing that with you guys and seeing you soon.